this is the community of American truck drivers. Welcome to another video.
Stupid fuck! Okay, Garmin. Say video. Video. Whoa!
You got fucked up. Oh my god!
This is too bad. Yeah, I told him this mile marker. 190. Brothers, I called 911 already. They're coming. Fuck. Fuck. Is he alright?
Okay.
No teammates, right?
No.
Do you have a first aid kit or anything?
No, nothing.
You want me to pour like a water on your hand, please? Or can you cover it with something? Because it's like heavily damaged.
Yeah.
Put.
Maybe don't touch it. It's better. It's some.
Oh, I see. Yeah. You don't want to touch it, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Can you come out and like sit or lay down? Because it's not. It's dangerous to be in there.
I need my
Shoes? You need your shoes? You don't need your shoes. Brother, sit here or somewhere. They're coming. Please, yeah.
How it looks truck.
Truck is like fucked up. Don't worry about the truck. You
The trailer.
trail everything. Just you are right. That's the most important one.
Yeah, right.
Yes. Don't worry about the truck. This is just a piece of metal. Don't worry about the truck. Reefer turned off. I was gonna turn it off, but it turned off itself. I don't know. I can get in there or not. But the diesel is leaking, so it's scary. So I don't want you to be inside of the truck.
Yeah.
Okay, please. don't get in because the diesel is leaking and there's no way to be stopping it. Fuck. Hey brothers, the diesel is leaking.
We're Ruby, the team of virtual receptionists who answers all of your calls and chats live, anytime, day or night, and always with the same great service. Anytime, day or night, and always with the same great service. Just like an in-house receptionist, only better, because we turn every interaction into a relationship. Experience Ruby for yourself. Visit Ruby.com, or better yet, call us, 866-GET-RUBY.
My name is Preston Good. God damn it, Big Chuck, what the fuck is wrong with you? See the next that ran from the left lane, you jackass.
Starting therapy, BetterHelp is a great option. It's convenient, affordable, and entirely online. Just fill out a brief questionnaire to get matched with a licensed therapist based on your unique needs and preferences. Then you can start communicating with your therapist in whatever format works for you, via video, phone, or live chat sessions. If your first match isn't the perfect fit, switch therapists anytime at no additional charge. Life is unpredictable, and it's impossible to know what's around the corner. Consistency has to come from within. Find your empowerment.
Some friendlies around you, but it's a little bit risky. I want you to go in and say, hey, it's a National Day of Prayer, and I think we can all agree, man, our country's in trouble. I don't care what side of it you're on, we're in trouble. Can we just take a minute here and pray together? Do it. Do it. That's what Tucker Carlson said. He just came out and they've never did another show. Yeah. Well, do it. It has to be done. Christians have got to take a moment and think and pray and thank God that we still live in a country where God can be welcomed and praised. Navigating through your finances can be tricky work, especially the more assets you have. If you've got a home, for example, knowing whether or not to refinance the mortgage and when is the kind of thing that seems so complex that you might avoid dealing with it altogether. Listen, don't do that. You could get rid of those really high interest rate. Do that. You could get rid of those really high interest rate credit cards and debt. Now is not the time for hesitation. What you need to do is get somebody who can help you, somebody who's on your side and not the banks. May I recommend American Financing? It's a family-owned mortgage company that's in it for you, and they're saving people just like you an average of $1,000 a month. You could close in as fast.
Thank you for watching. Bye bye.